Hey everyone, how's it going today? For this video, I would like to show you guys how to draw a saber-toothed tiger. Now, make sure if you guys are liking these videos and everything, please keep subscribing and following along on the channel. Now, to start off with our saber-toothed tiger, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right about here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down and then kind of curve up like this, kind of like a little check mark. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then up like this for the eye. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm going to go out and then in, and then I'm just going to kind of go up and then over for the nose, kind of like a little diamond shape. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm going to just curve up like this. And then I'm going to come back down for the mouth. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve back. I'm going to put a couple little points on it. And then I'm going to curve this up to here and put a few more little kind of curved lines on there for some fur. Now, starting right here, I want to just draw a line that's going to kind of curve up to the eyebrow. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve back like this for the head. And then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up. And then I'm going to go a little bit higher, and then I'm just going to kind of curve down, and then I'm going to kind of bring it back to here. I'm going to kind of curve down. We got like the neck, the shoulder, and then the back here. Then right here, I'm just going to kind of curve this down, and then I'm going to bring the line back up to form the top of the tail. And then right here, I'm going to make some little kind of pointy, kind of little lines right around here for the tail. Now, starting right here, I want to make the neck. So I'm going to just draw some lines that are going to kind of point down to make it look a little bit furry. And I'm going to bring these all the way to about here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve down. And it's going to go back here and then down like this. And then for the paws, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve. And then it's going to come back around like this. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up like this, and then it's just going to kind of curve up to here for one of the legs. Then I'm going to start here. I'm going to make some more of those little kind of pointy lines, and I'm just going to curve them up to about here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's going to come back. Then you just want to go down. And then I want to keep these about the same length and, on the same plane. So I'm going to start here and just draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come back. And then I'm just going to curve up like this. And then you just want to curve in and then curve around here for the back leg. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down to here. Kind of stop at the same spot where this one stopped. Draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go over. And then we're just going to bring it back up here at an angle. And then for the other leg, I'm going to start back here by the tail, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve out, and then come down to here. Then I'm going to go over, and then curve up for the foot. And then this time I'm going to bring it up and then kind of run it right into this leg here, just to make it look like he's kind of moving. Now, on all the feet here, I'm going to draw a little curved line on them. I'm going to put one and then a second one here, just to show the toes. So I'm going to put two here, and then I'm just going to put one on this side. Now, for the ear. So the ear is going to be right about here. So all you want to do is draw a line that's just going to kind of curve like this, and then it's going to come back. So it looks like the ear is kind of pushed back. And then I'm just going to make a little line that curves on top of it for the top of the ear. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down for like the cheek of our saber-toothed tiger. And then I'm going to put a couple little curved lines on here. And then now for the famous part, their very sharp teeth. So starting here, I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come back up like this. And then you can always add another one behind it too. I'm just going to leave the one on there for right now. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here by the mouth. And then I'm just going to add a couple little extra lines on here just to make it look really furry. I'm going to draw a little circle inside of here and then just kind of color the rest of that black. And then I'm going to add a small little line underneath the eye too. Over here, I'm going to add a couple little dots and a couple little rows just to show kind of where the whiskers would be. And then I'm just going to add a couple little extra lines along here just to kind of show that the bottom of him is really furry. And just adding these little lines will just kind of help it make it look like he's extra hairy down there. Then you can always come in here and you can add a couple little extra broken lines in some spots just to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic. Just for some little details and everything, a couple little lines around here. Put a couple right here on the body too, on the back of the head. And there you go. There is your drawing of a saber-toothed tiger. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.